Welcome to this tutorial on creating identification markers in hip. These markers help you quickly identify important information about your patients. The data, patients, and doctors presented in this video are entirely fictional. They are used only to illustrate the features of hip. In the Patient tab, the Marker column displays all markers associated with each patient. By clicking on a marker, you can immediately view its meaning, for example, diabetes. You can add a marker directly from a patient's record. To do this, search for the desired patient. And click the plus button. The full list of available markers will appear. To create or edit a marker, go to your practice settings. And open the General Settings tab. There you will find the list of existing markers. Let's create an example together by adding the marker osteoporosis. You can select the letter and the color according to your preferences. In this example, we choose the letter O and the color green. Once your settings are defined, click Save. Back in the patient's record, you can now select the marker osteoporosis. It will then appear in the marker column, directly visible in the list of your patients. Please note that specific access rights are required to create these markers. For more details, you can also visit our online help. The link is available in the description. We hope this tutorial has been helpful and will support you in using markers for your patients in hip. Thank you for your attention, and see you soon in our next video.